everyone! Today I'm gonna do a happy pour technique. And the happy pour technique is 4 cups. And I'm gonna hold it 2 cups on the left and 2 cups on the right hand. Just like that. And we will pour it into a canvas. So the colors that I'm gonna use for today, I will use the Pourage Posse paint by Miss Christina Welch. This is Allen's Red Shimmer, Dark Chocolate Shimmer, Military Green Shimmer, Galaxy Blue Shimmer. I also have Deep Lagoon Shimmer, Morning Pansy Shimmer, Purple Shimmer, Turquoise Shimmer. It's a Sleeping Beauty Turquoise Shimmer. And the last one is Christina's Laguna Shimmer. I'm gonna set this thing aside. I'm gonna shake first the paints. By the way, the cover of the paint is eraser also. So if you write here, you can use the eraser. It's very useful. Taking again the canvas. Okay. So I'm gonna put the paints. I'm gonna use red. This one, I'm gonna blend it with turquoise. And next is, this one is yellow. I used before in my ribbon pour this paints and it turned pretty good. So I want to try using this in this technique. Let's put some dark chocolate here. Yes, Morning Pansy. Put some. So I will put some part into a time lapse so that it will not be so long. gonna put a little bit white on the side so that it will slide. I just want the paint to slide when I pour it. That's why I put a little bit of white. Okay, let's do this. Last time I used a small cup, that's why it's easy to hold, but this one is kind of big. Oops, so hard, but we can do this. We're trying to level this thing. I think it will be much easier if someone's gonna put this on your hand. But this is the fun part of pouring. So it's so hard. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, I love the colors. So we're gonna use every drop of the colors. Okay, 1, 2, 3, lift. Then we're gonna torch it so that those bubbles will pop. So the torch will help for those bubbles to pop so that once it gets dry, it will not create a lot of lumps. Okay. Then we're gonna start to stretch it. So we're gonna put on left side. We're going to the right side. I really love this part. This part is what I want to save. I think the tilting part is the one who's really hard because sometimes if we want to create a pattern, then it does not go well. It's frustrating. Then we're gonna stretch on the lower part. bringing it back. So I want to remove more on this side because it's more on browns. This part is my favorite because the purple and the yellow blend pretty well. So we're gonna put this. I'm gonna leave this part as white. Oh, and this side again. So I'm gonna leave this part, this white part, because I love how it give look. So what do you think, guys? Gonna torch it again. You can see a lot of bubbles. Okay. So I will show you the close-up look, guys. And thank you so much for watching. And have a blessed day, everyone.